Hello, hello, the best pineapple fried rice. Get your pineapple from your emoji. First, scoop out the pineapple, put it in the bowl. You add fried eggs first so they keep in nice shape. Add green onions and ham, also bell pepper, celery, and peas. Then the secret is use the leftover rice. Sprinkle some salt, add cooking oil, add pineapple with the juice in, add eggs and soy sauce. Use the spatula, serve them in your pineapple bowl, then top it with some roasted peanuts. 下次再见。
Goodbye to mushy quinoa and watch my tips to get it perfectly fluffy every time. The key is to use 1 part quinoa and 2 parts water. Give it a good wash and simmer on a medium heat uncovered. After about 15 minutes, the water should be all absorbed. Now it's time for the most crucial part. Place your lid on, turn your heat off and let it sit there for 5 minutes. Grab a fork and give it a good fluff until it's nice and fluffy. And now it's time to say...
Absolutely delicious.
Let me show you how to make my gnocchi carbonara.
They are so sexy. First of all, let's make your carbo cream with egg yolks and a lot of pecorino. It's time to sizzle your guanciale until nice and crispy and remove it from the pan. Now boil your gnocchi until sexy and mix them in your greasy pan with your carbo cream and a lot of pepper. Mamma mia.
My entire life, I've loved a good Reuben sandwich. So when I was keto, of course we have to make it into a casserole, right? So all you gotta do is buy some deli corned beef, line the bottom of a casserole dish, drain your sauerkraut as well as you can get it drained, put it on top of the corned beef. I like to add a little bit of sliced red cabbage for extra crunch, add some caraway seeds, top it with grated Swiss cheese, bake it at 350 for about a half an hour, top it with homemade Russian dressing. That recipe is also posted in this video, and like and follow for more recipes.
Do you ever get those days when you ate breakfast an hour ago and you're already hungry but it's nowhere near lunchtime? I'll show you what I'm gonna make. In a blender, add half a cup of oats, half a nani in there, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of milk. So easy to remember, half, half and half. And half. Some chia seeds, and one more thing I need. Oh, salt. 1 second. It's a pinch. Now pour in a little ramekin, dark chocolate, and then just sink it under. Oh, cacao nibs on the top. Microwave for 2 minutes. Top with maple syrup. Look at that. Yum. This is gonna be way too hot, but I just can't wait. Oh my God, look at that chocolate in the middle there, that steam. Woo!
Let's make a crazy simple Philly cheesesteak lasagna. Now I'm gonna use this boxed steak sandwiches. I had them in my freezer. I'm gonna use them. You can certainly shave your own steak. I'm sure it would taste a million times better that way, but we're gonna do this just for now. I'm gonna add peppers, onions, and mushrooms, but again, add what you like. Start layering it with really thinly sliced zucchini. I used a mandolin to get them nice and thin. Layer it with your meat mixture, and to go light on the cheese, I'm only gonna add cheese to the top. Bake it at 350 for a half an hour. Then I just threw on the broiler until the top got nice and golden brown, and that's it. Don't forget to like and follow for more healthy low-carb recipes.
How to make a bacon-wrapped pork tenderloin in the air fryer. So easy, just 2 ingredients, not counting salt and pepper. Season your pork tenderloin, then wrap it in bacon. I basically cut the ends of the bacon because they're smaller, then take some string and cut it. This will keep the bacon in place when it's in the air fryer. Then cook it in your air fryer for 420 minutes, turning halfway. This comes out super flavorful, bacon is crispy, juicy inside, it is so good. Also great for low-carb diets, and that is...
Now what if I told you you could make this sandwich in under 30 minutes? Now let me show you how it's done. You're gonna cut up some chicken into strips, add some olive oil, some salt, some black pepper, smoked paprika, cumin, cayenne pepper, ginger powder, oregano, yogurt, and some garlic. Now for the yogurt sauce, it's gonna be yogurt, garlic, some cucumbers, olive oil, white wine vinegar, lemon juice. I added dried mint and basil and some salt and pepper. Now for the dressing, it's super simple. It's only olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper, cilantro, oregano, and chili flakes. Now be careful because the sandwich is addicting. I serve it with onions and tomatoes. Now enjoy.
Do you want your dog to be this happy?
You gotta make these.
Throw yourself a blender, add in 1 cup of Greek yogurt, shoot in 5 strawberries, and add 1 tablespoon of water. Add it to the blender base, blend, shake, blend, shake. Grab your palm mold, pour in the yogurt, and let freeze for 1 hour. Finally, pop them out, and there you have them. Is that a Chihuahua footprint?
Nick, give me the damn treat now.
Are you ready for this? Peanut butter smoothie bowl with a magic shell. The magic shell is super easy. Just mix cacao powder, maple syrup, and some coconut oil. For the smoothie bowl, I used almond milk, vanilla protein, maple syrup, and a whole lot of peanut butter. Add frozen bananas and blend until smooth. Make sure to smooth at the top and then pour over your chocolate sauce. Add some chopped peanuts and wait a few minutes for it to sit. I'm so excited! Stop what you're doing right now and go and make this quinoa salad because it's that good you're going to want it every day. You'll need baby spinach, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, chickpeas, some red onion, quinoa, and my favorite, Kalamata olives. The dressing is super easy. It's just olive oil, lemon juice, oregano, and salt and pepper. Give it a good mix together and dive in. Who doesn't love tuna salad, am I right? Here's my healthier take, which is super easy and makes a perfect lunch. First, you'll need some tuna. I'm using John West's new range, which is calcium and protein rich. Add celery, onions, walnuts, and fresh dill, all in tiny pieces. For a lighter dressing, I like mixing Greek yogurt and mayo for a creamy sauce. Give it a mix, and I love that you can see the pops of color and texture in this mixture. You can eat it in so many ways. My favorite is in a big old sandwich. It is so light and fresh, and with every mouthful, you'll keep wanting more.
If you're seeing this, let this be a reminder to make creamy tomato soup from scratch with homemade croutons. First, we add olive oil and our veggies to our pot, season and add balsamic vinegar and roast. Then we add chicken stock and cream and we add it back to the oven and then we blend it all together. Top with Parmesan cheese and black pepper. Add it to a bowl and top with some more cream, Parmesan, and our homemade croutons. Find the recipe on my Instagram, follow for more, enjoy.
If you're still adding cream to your pasta carbonara, then today's a day to redeem yourself and make it right because it's carbonara day. Sauce is made with 2 egg yolks, an egg, black pepper, and freshly grated pecorino cheese. Don't get lazy. Today I'm making a meatless version by using shiitake mushrooms. While they're browning, start cooking your pasta. Add pasta water to thin out the sauce. Take your pan off the heat and give it all a good mix together. It'll create a silky, creamy carbonara.
Do you see this gorgeous plate of pasta? Yep, this is low carb and it's keto friendly. I have been working on pasta for over 5 years and I finally got it right. And all I needed was this King Arthur keto flour. We're gonna need this just like a regular pasta. It is gonna be a little bit more tough than regular flour, so keep kneading it. I promise it'll come together. Using a pasta machine, start on the thickest setting, run it through each setting 3 times until you get down to setting 1, then you can cut it to your desired shape. If you cook it from fresh, only boil it for a minute. If you let it dry out, go ahead and cook it for 2 minutes. You guys, I'm so excited that I finally got this right, and I'm so grateful to share it with you for all the love and support through my ebooks. I hope you love this. Like and follow for more keto recipes.
Late night snacks, chocolate milkshake. First, get on your PJs and grab your Daily Harvest almond milk wedge. Rip it open, pop out the wedge, add a 1/3 cup of water, open your ice cream, add 6 scoops, blend that sucker, shake it up, and blend again. Add to a glass with homemade whipped cream, cacao nibs, and strawberries. Amazing.
If you enjoy a good black and blue burger, you are going to want to make this salad. This is my black and blue salad with crispy shallots and bacon jam. Start by taking a pound of ground beef, season it with salt and pepper, cook it all the way through, drain the fat, set it aside. In a non-stick skillet, slice up some shallots really thin with a little bit of avocado oil, and go ahead and keep tossing those around till they get nice and crispy. Drain them on a paper towel. Next, you can chop up your cleaned lettuce, top it with the ground beef, some blue cheese crumbles, add some of the bacon jam that we made in the previous video, those crispy shallots, and some homemade blue cheese. Find the homemade blue cheese, post it up on my TikTok, and if you try this, let me know and like and follow for more recipes.
Visiting my kids, they wanted pulled pork. Normally I would do this on the green egg. Don't have a green egg here, so I'm gonna do it in a Dutch oven. Start by scoring the fat cap. We're gonna use mustard as the binder. We're gonna apply the dry rub. Ingredients are right here. Same on the other side. We're gonna wrap it up and put it in the fridge overnight. Take a pie tin. We're gonna cut some holes in it. We're gonna put the pie tin in the Dutch oven upside down. Put the pork shoulder on top of the pie tin. Quarter 1 onion. 1 beer. A cup of orange juice. About a cup of chicken stock. Maybe a beer and a half. Not sitting on the bottom in all the liquid, it's on top of the pie tin. In the oven at 225 for 6 to 8 hours till the internal temperature hits 200. Look, oh my God. Look at how tender. Are you kidding me?
Absolutely delicious.
Let me show you how to make my super sexy and super vegan creamy mushroom spaghetti.
First of all, mix together pine nuts, paprika, sage, mustard, a pinch of salt, and almond milk. Now cook your mushrooms with garlic and olive oil. Add your beautiful vegan cream, season with salt, pepper, and parsley. Add your spaghetti in and whisper, Mamma mia.
Simple air-fried wings. Yeah, wings. Place them on a paper towel and pat them dry. Come on, Linda, put your back into it. I'm really trying. Coat with salt and your favorite seasoning. Flip them and season the other side. Good seasoning, bad seasoning. Good seasoning, bad seasoning. Grab Thomas, the Towtronics air fryer. Take out the basket and throw in our wings. Behind the back, 360, Euro step. Completely fill the bottom and throw into Thomas. Set to 400 and cook for 20 minutes. Halfway through, give them a shimmy and throw it back in. Oh my gosh, they're too pretty and so crispy. Add to a bowl, cover with buffalo sauce, and serve with chives. Thanks, Thomas. You know who to call, Linda.